Guys, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. I am very excited about this order that I got. It came all the way from China, and I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys because I think this is an awesome product. I ordered it off of Etsy. I will put the link down in the comments below. So let's get started. Now this is a knife that I ordered, and I ordered it because I've been watching a lot of videos of natural chefs and harvesters and foragers on YouTube, and this knife is similar to what they are using. I have not opened this yet because I wanted to share it with you guys, but I think it's awesome. It came with this, so let's see what's in this bag here. Okay, so it looks like a towel and a sander, I guess, for sharpening it, keeping it sharp. And this looks like a sharpening stone. And in the description on Etsy, it doesn't say that it comes with this. I thought I was just, what is this? I thought I was just getting a knife. I don't know what this is. I was guessing it was a stone. It was kind of heavy. Sharpening stone. Oh wow. Wow, this is really cool. So it has two sides, the 1500 and then the 600. So I guess you can flip it around and then just sharpen your knife with it. So I didn't know it was coming with this because it wasn't in the description. So that's really cool. And I love this boxing. These are all handmade, made by hand forged and everything. They also have woks and other products you can buy online. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm a chef and I cook and I forage, so this is very exciting to me. So there it has its little emblem imprint. This is so cool. It's all handmade. If you go on YouTube, I'll also tag some videos of them making some of the products from this company I bought. They are not good at marketing. They do have a Facebook page. They don't have a lot of followers. They have a small YouTube channel, so go show them some love and go buy these awesome handmade products. So as you could see, it's still dirty from when they made that. Like, this is straight from the real deal here. So this is a meat cleaver. I'm going to be using it for dicing and chopping vegetables, bones, meat. You could use it for everything. I got the, I don't remember which one I got. I'll put it down in the link. But they have like two different options of the cleavers. But this thing is awesome. I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to try to get them some customers because they aren't sharing their business out there, and they should, because they don't make stuff like this anymore. And it came in it came really fast. It came through FedEx. It only took about 4 days to get here, and that's really cool. My hands are all dirty now. But yeah, it comes with all that. I think it was $230. Shipping, I didn't have to pay shipping. It got here really fast. I got my own sharpener, so now I could sharpen my other knives too. This, I'm not sure what this is for. I'm gonna have to look that up. Obviously this is for wiping off your knife. That is an awesome knife. I'm sure in my other videos I'll be chopping up some stuff so you guys can see how it chops and everything. But head over to these guys' shop, check out their stuff. They make awesome pans, woks, other knives, chopping blocks. They're a really small owned business in China. Just go show them some love. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. See you next time.